Good morning, friends. It's Mrs. Mozingo here. It's time for Circle Time. We are here together today, so let's take a look at the calendar. Oh my goodness, look! It's that wee little Irishman there. It's a leprechaun. Oh, look at the Irish to ya. And it is March 17th, 2020. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Is everybody ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 It's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. So today is the 17th. It is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020. So keep your eyes out for that leprechaun. Let's see if he does anything tricky today. What kind of weather do we have today? We predicted some sun, and I think that is a very good prediction right now. It's nice and sunny outside, but who knows with Delaware. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? What do you think? Let's put in our prediction square. Oh, I heard somebody say cloudy. What do you think it's going to be cloudy tomorrow? Well, let's put that in our prediction square. Cloudy weather is our prediction. It's time to say our alphabet. Here we go. Let's say our alphabet. A, B, C, D. I can't hear you. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent, friends. Now let's do a squeaky voice like this to count to 15. Are you ready? Let's count with a squeaky voice. Can you do a squeaky voice? Let me hear ya. Oh my goodness, listen to those squeaky voices out there. All right, let's say it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So squeaky. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, such good counting, squeaky voices. Now we're going to use our whisper voice. Now we're going to get big. Here we go. Let's count backwards from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Excellent. I want you to count backwards twice today. I want you to count backwards from 10 to 1. I want you to count for somebody. So count backwards for mommy or daddy, brother or sister, and count backwards from 10 2 times today. All right. Let's take a look at our shapes. Who can find that triangle? Where is that triangle? Do you see it? Where is it? There it is. What color is that triangle? It's blue. Excellent. How about the square? Where is the square? Where is it? Is this the square? No, that's the rectangle. There it is. It's the square. What color is our square? It is purple. Let's sing our shape song together. Are you ready?
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really good.
Here we go. Let's skip that ad and try again. Let's get up and dance. Shapes, names with angles and lines. There are shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Let me hear ya. Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Here we go. Circle. I can't hear you. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I can't hear you. You dancing? Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. All right. Excellent. Good job, friends. That was great singing along. All right. Let's look for some colors. Will you help me find some colors? I'm looking for something that is gray. What's something that's gray up here? Do you see them? What is that that's gray? Yeah, the elephants. Look at those elephants. How many elephants do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 elephants. Excellent job, friends. All right, let's sing our nursery rhyme. Are you ready? Let's sing it together. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Let's check out that video.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it. Now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it?
Very good. All right. That's definitely a favorite of mine. Now, we've done these letters already. L, F, E, H, and T. And our letter this week is what? I. I says I. Can you say I? Let me hear ya. Good. Iguana. And this is Isa, the iguana. And over here, they are the Incredibles. They both start with the letter I. Let's sing about where we start our letters. We're standing up. Let's get those arms up. Here we go. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach it up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Reaching down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach it up high. The top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go, Oz. Ah, louder, I can't hear you. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go, going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up, top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me hear Oz. Ah. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Excellent job, friends. All right, we're working on the letter I. I'm going to grab a big line and put it in the center of my mat because I is a center starter. I just put it right underneath my star. I grab a little line and put it at the top. I heard you. Putting it at the top. I haven't made the letter I. I made the letter T. Yes, good job. Who can remember what T says? I heard it. Yeah. T, 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 t. Excellent job. I'll put it at the bottom, the little line. Now I've made the letter I. I says I. Let me hear you. I. Excellent. Hands in lap, listening ears on, inside voices off. My turn. Big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's do it again. Fingers at the top. Are you going to do it with me? Lift those fingers up. Let's do it together. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down, frog jump up, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. Good job. What letter did we make? What letter did we make? I, exactly. Great job today, friends. All right, since it's St. Patrick's Day today, I have another St. Patty's Day story. This one is about a leprechaun. And guess what? A guy in the story catches the leprechaun. Can you believe it? Wait until you hear about the crazy things that happen when he catches that leprechaun. I'll see you in a wee bit. Have a great one. Bye.